For the first time in weeks, the number of daily hospitalizations for COVID went down, dropping by 34 people. The percent of people testing positive also dropped by nearly 1.5%.
However, the state did report more than 10,000 new cases in the last 24 hours, and 63 more people have died of the virus. So these numbers in some ways encouraging signs that we may have already hit the peak of the Omicron wave.
WJZ is live with team coverage. Avijoy Burnett got rare access inside a city school that is struggling with COVID cases.
But we're going to begin with Paul Gessler. He has more on the new steps Governor Hogan announced today to fight the pandemic. Paul.
Hi, Denise and Lynn. So the governor announced today 20 million N95 and KN95 masks will be distributed next week, free of charge, through multiple channels. Construction is underway at Shore Medical Pavilion in Easton for a COVID testing site. Half of the 16 such hospital-based sites are up and running in Maryland as the state continues to see thousands of new cases a day.
95% of our state's most recent COVID-19 cases are the Omicron variant.
The governor announced Thursday a new health order requiring nursing home staff be tested twice a week.
In addition, all visitors will need to provide a proof of a negative test or to be tested at the facility.
In the coming days, the National Guard will be distributing the therapeutic remdesivir to nursing homes and pharmacies. There are currently more than 3,400 Marylanders hospitalized with COVID, but University of Maryland radiologist Dr. Omer Awan says, on the whole, he's encouraged Omicron does not appear to be as severe as previous variants.
The symptoms tend to be a little bit more mild compared to the Delta variant that we saw in the fall.
He says the proof is there. Through imaging and hospitalization rates, vaccines make a difference.
Vaccines work, Paul. The vast majority of patients that we're seeing in the hospital are unvaccinated.
Maryland will also distribute 20 million masks beginning next week.
N95 and KN95 masks will be made available free of charge through local health departments and at all state-run testing and vaccination sites.
So after today's announcement of this mask distribution, Governor Hogan reiterated he has no plans for another statewide mask mandate, saying Maryland is one of the best states in the country when it comes to wearing masks in appropriate settings. For now, reporting live at 5 to 9, I'm Paul Gessler for WJZ.